Hey, I'm Jewell, and I'm MediaTech's December 2019 Student of the Month. My family's largely into film. Movies has just always been kind of the centerpiece of our kitchen table. Yeah, so he's kind of been my big inspiration. Growing up, you know, my dad and I, instead of going out to play catch or something, we'd go watch a movie and then go eat and talk about the movie. And it's just something that we've always shared. So at a young age, I knew film was what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to be part of that world. And luckily enough, I had a dad who was sort of part of that world, and he kind of threw a camera at me and popped in the tape and went to town. There's something about being able to perfect a moment in time and then creating a whole world, and now years to come you're going to share it, watch it, and enjoy it and reminisce on it. And I just think that's not many people, generations before us, had that opportunity. In high school, I took a film program. I was lucky enough to have that at my high school because it meant every day I could go in and at least spend 30 minutes thinking about crafting a video or a story. And I was really fortunate to have that, and I was really happy to do that because it was a lot of fun just being able to go in at least 30 minutes a day. Like, I was skipping lunch to go edit videos. And then after high school, I graduated a semester early and I joined a production company. I was there for a year. So even though I didn't think I was strong enough to handle all of the filming and stuff, I still learned client relationship and how the inner relationships work in a corporate setting. And so that was really good for me to be there for that long and to not jump out early and to really get a feel for what it might be like in the future for me. From there, I took some time off from working film. I went to retail. I did some other odd jobs, and that's when I realized, like, this is not gonna work for me. I have to be behind a camera or something along those lines. And so I said, okay, I'm gonna test myself, come to MediaTech, I'm gonna meet new people, and I'm gonna level myself up. MediaTech's been awesome. It's been nothing but good things. They got together some great teachers and some great employees who were just willing to go the extra step and teach these students what they need to know to better their career. Just having a place at my disposal as a student to kind of treat as my own kind of business is nice. It helps me get my foot in the door with clients, and it takes my production value 10 times higher. My family's largely into film. It's been part of my family. It means a lot to me, and I really want to share how much it means to me with other people too. That's the end goal, I think, is just to create videos I want to watch or I want to show people.